Today we're going to create multiple children's worksheets to help with times tables. So we're going to do this in Excel. So if you go to Excel and open a blank document, this is what you'll get. So we want to reduce the column size, so go all the way, highlight all the way to Z, click on the end of Z and reduce that column, and then all of them will reduce. Then click on this button here to get them centered, each cell. Okay, so if you imagine a A4 piece of paper, so highlight to there, that's about A4. We'll stick a border around just to remember where our A4 sheet is. So if you click on this downward arrow, click on thick outside border, you'll see there that that's our A4 worksheet. So again, highlight all the cells in there, and then we'll make sure the white, so we get rid of all the lines, stick it to white. There we go. Okay, so we'll firstly start with the twos. So if we go over to this cell here, and then next to the fill colour, the downward arrow, put it to yellow. Just so we remember that that is our cell that everything's going to link to. So put twos in there. So down this side we'll have times tables, then divides, and then some questions at the bottom. So if you do 1, 2, highlight those two cells, and the bottom right corner, drag them down to 12. Also highlight all the cells. I've got to change the size and change them to 16 for the kids to be able to read the numbers. So that's obviously made our cells bigger. So we're going to highlight again where our A4 page is about to there. That's our border. So next to the 1, we want a times. So if you do a capital X in there, then highlight that cell, bottom right corner, drag it down, and then here we want equals, and then this cell. So if it's equals, then click on that cell. You'll see that U3's come up, and then click F4, and that will put a dollar sign in front of the column and a dollar sign in front of the 3, which means when we drag it down, it'll stay on that cell. So we'll get the 2, click on the bottom right corner, drag it down, and then we want equals in here. So just click equals, and then enter. Click back up to cell, bottom right corner, drag it down. So that's got your times tables here. Children write the answers here, and then we want divides. So if you click in this cell here, and then do equals, then the yellow cell, and then star 12. And then we want equals, yellow cell, star 11, equals, yellow cell, star 10. See the pattern? So we want to go all the way down to 1. So we've done 12, 11, 10. So equals, yellow, star 9, equals, yellow, star 8, enter, equals, yellow, star 7, enter, equals, yellow box, star 6, equals, sorry, return not equals, that equals, yellow box, star 5, equals, yellow, star 4, equals, yellow, star 3, equals, yellow, star 2, equals, yellow, star 1. Okay? Then we need divide signs. So Excel isn't great with divides. So if we click on the Start menu, click on your Start menu, and then type in Paint. This app should automatically come up. Click on Paint, and then Paint will open, which looks like that. So we want to do a divide sign basically in here. So if you click on the circle, or the oval, You're already on black. Just do a nice little ball there. Ball. Then click on the paintbrush, which will fill this black if you click in the middle. There we go. Then select, highlight this. Then we want to copy and then paste. So you get your second ball. Sugar. We'll do that. Paste. And then we want to be able to move this ball, which isn't working very well. Paste. Make it bigger, then move it over, and then make it smaller again. This really isn't working. View, zoom in, move that underneath it, zoom back out, and home. We're going to line in the middle. So if you click on this one, and then just one, and then just one, and then just one, and then draw your line in the middle. And there's our divide sign. If we go to select, highlight that divide sign, and then copy, and click back on your Excel worksheet, and then press paste. So that'll get you your divide sign. Obviously it's absolutely massive, so we reduce the size down to that size, and then move it exactly where we want it. So that's 1. We need 11 more, so press paste. Should undo that. Select copy, because it's copied at a smaller size, and then paste. And then it's pasted on there. So drag it down, and then paste. Drag it down, and then paste. Drag it down, and then paste. This is probably the fiddliest bit. Drag it down, paste. Drag it down, paste. Down, paste. Drag it down, paste. Drag it down, paste. Drag it down, paste. Drag it down, and then paste. Drag it down. Excellent. So in this, we'll press equals that cell, and then F4 again, so we get the dollar sign. So click on that, then enter. Click on that cell, and then drag it down. So that ensures, we'll do the equals first, so highlight all these, right hand click, copy, click in that top one, right hand click, paste. So that ensures that when we change this number, say we wanted to do 3s tomorrow, we just press 3, everything changes. So we've got all the divides of 3, 3, what 7s the next day, 7s, 6s, you get the picture. Change it back to 2. Right, I want a couple of questions down here, so we'll do divides. So if you do equals that, equals that one, equals that one, bit of a random guess, equals that one, and then equals that one. And we'll get our divide sign, so copy and paste, move it to there, paste, there, paste, there, paste, there, paste, there. And then we want obviously 2s there, so equals that cell, and then F4, enter, and then right hand click, copy, and then select the cells next to the divide line. So select the cell next to the divide line, and hold down Control, and select the other cells, right hand click, paste. Then we want a couple of, no, we want the equals, so equals, down, equals, down, equals, down, equals, down. So a couple of times questions this side. So if we do equals the yellow cell again, F4, enter, and right hand click, copy, and select the cells where we want to write the times as. Again, while holding control, right hand click, paste. Then we want some X's, some times, so click on that cell, right hand click, copy, and next to your 2's, click on that cell, hold down control, click in the other cells, let go of control, right hand click, paste, and then equals. So just select any equals, right hand click, copy, and then we'll have a number here what we want. Select that cell, control, hold it down, click in the other cells, let go of control, right hand click, paste. So here we want some random numbers, so 2 times 9, 2 times 12, 2 times 4, 2 times 6, and 2 times 8. Okay, so there's the answer. So there's your sheet for your 2's, and then if you wanted it to change to 3's, again, you just change the yellow and it changed for everything. So we only want this A4 sheet to print out, so if you highlight where you've done your border, go to page layout, and the little square here, and then go to, you want it in portrait, fit to 1 and 1, so that ensures it just fit on one page, so it fits to one page wide by one page tall. Okay, and then while this is still highlighted where your page is, go to print area, the downwards arrow, set print area, so that'll ensure that only this element will get printed. So there's your page. So all you need to do now is file and print, and then it'll print out. And then if you want to use 3's, you can do it. One with 2's, one with 8's, and then file print. One with 11's, file print. If you find that some of the numbers are too big, such as that one, some hashes there, just grab the line of that column and just widen it a bit. Similar to this one, B. Drag. Just highlight that column and drag it a bit further wide. There we go. I'll ensure that everybody can see the numbers. And there you go. Easy. Enjoy.